Okay. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Narendra Singh, and from today we are starting a new series that is learning a new concept each and every day in DSA. So yeah, let's get started. And if you want to see my watch intro video, you can go to my channel and watch there. So let's start with today concept that is prefix sum. So we are given a question running sum of an array. Given an array, we have to define the ring sum. Okay, what do we mean by running sum? So you can see 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 3. So it's basically uh, so basically like adding these whole elements at the indexing itself at indexing 1 and 2 the previous indexing is okay at 3 it's like let me explain you an Excel draw. Okay, so what they are doing here, we can see clearly at it at index 0 what's the previous numbers. It's 0, so what is the total sum till here? That is 1. Now indexing 2. What is the total sum till here? Total element sum here. We only have one element, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Now, what is the total sum till here? So we can see 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it will be 6. Same. What is the total sum till here? That is 10. Now, what is the total sum till here? That is 15. What is till here? 21. Right. Now, that is the one part. The another thing we can see here. Can I say, can I say 1 is 1, right? Now, can I say the next will be the sum of 1 plus this? Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, next will be 3 plus this, that is 6. Next will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. Next will be 10 plus 5, that is 15. Next is 15 plus 6, that is 21. Can I say the next element, let's say, is constant? Okay, okay. Can I say the next ith indexing will be constant of I minus 1? Okay, plus this. Okay, plus, let's say this is nums nums of I, that will be this index. So very simple, we'll run a for loop and we'll solve this problem. We can say constant 0, let's initialize all of by 0 at starting. Now I know constant 0 will be equals to the nums of 0, right? And we have to learn of nums, right? Now what I'll do, I'll run a for loop for I in range. Since we already initialize the first indexing, we don't have to reinitialize len of nums. Okay, constant of I will be equals to constant of I minus 1 that we discussed there. Okay, right? And plus nums of I. Now I can say return constant. Yeah, let's see. It gets accepted and yeah, it gets submitted. So yeah, that's it for the day. This is known as prefix sum. This is very popular concept in DSA. So yeah, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.